And 2026, Cozumel, Mexico, will see the addition of a new attraction for Royal Caribbean passengers, the Royal Beach Club. This development marks the third private beach club by the cruise line, with the first set to open in Nassau in 2025. Located on the island's western coast, the Royal Beach Club Cozumel will offer exclusive access to Royal Caribbean guests. It promises a variety of amenities including swim-up bars, private cabanas, and activities like snorkeling and kayaking. Beyond leisure, the club aims to immerse visitors in Mexican culture through tequila tastings and cooking classes. Michael Bailey, President and CEO of Royal Caribbean International, highlights the beach club as a perfect complement to Cozumel's existing allure, blending Royal Caribbean's signature amenities with a spirit of Mexico. The local economy is also set to benefit, with Quintana Roo's Governor, Mara Lezama, emphasizing the project's role in creating jobs and reinforcing the region's status as a top Latin American port of call. Details on what guests can specifically expect at the Royal Beach Club Cozumel are forthcoming, but comparisons to the planned Paradise Island Beach Club in Nassau suggest a mix of beachfront leisure and cultural activities. The introduction of the Royal Beach Club in Cozumel underscores the ongoing partnership between Royal Caribbean and local communities aimed at enhancing guest experiences while contributing to local tourism and economy.